Hello everyone. So now we are going to see on the case study on data failure and solution for media devices. So any idea about that media devices? So which means I am asking storage. So these are the storage devices. So here listed here. So here we are mainly focusing that what are the failures occurred in hard disk drive. Okay. So can I ask one question? So what is storage? Anyone? So storage is one of the computer component. It allows to store and retrieve the data. The data are represented in zeros and 1. Okay. So now we are going to see on the case study of what are the failures occurred in hard disk drive. So the first case study, which means the first phenomenon 1. So mechanical failure in hard disk drive. So here the hard disk is there. So is the rotating arm is there. So the experts are saying the good hard disk drive normally work on 5 to 8 years only. That means the lifetime. Afterwards it can die. So it leads to data loss or we cannot retrieve and store our data. So what is the solution for that? So transfer the file to a healthy hard disk immediately and replace with original one. So which means we can use of that number of time, which means we need to store only the good data. So we can reduce the unnecessary data and all, and we can utilize any software, okay, to recover the data. So here we have one question is that, so how to diagnose and impuntable of the data and reduce the data failure. So we can utilize our hard disk drive with only safe data, and we do not insert any external drive. So once the drive is I am saying about that either that media like pen drive or memory cards and all. Okay, so we can does not included in the system. We can protect our hard disk from the external problems. Okay, so next we go for that the same thing, hard disk drive problem with virus and malware. So virus and malware, it can leads to question mark of our system security, and our data will be stolen by some other parties. So we can go for installation of any antivirus or firewall in the system. Once we have insert any kind of devices in the computer, we can check with the latest updation version of the antiviruses. So next we go for the data loss. So data loss, so data corruption. So data corruption is a problem of installation of the malware software, or we can oversight uninstall some other running application. So it leads to the data loss or data corruption. So we can reduce this by launch command prompt enter check disk G/F command to verify the integrity of files and perform repairs. So better try to avoid this by installing any software. Please read the instruction and what are the requirements. So then only we can reduce the data corruption. And the final one is that human error in hard disk. So accidentally, so we can delete or we can corrupt the file, and also viruses, or we are installing any operating system in this in the computer. It may to either delete the data by automatically or accidentally. So we can install any backup and restore system, so we can reduce this. So these are the some of the solutions along with the hard disk drive error problems. So these are the case study we have taken for our subject of computer organization and architecture. So